Step to my... Well. Dexter. You want the stick? You want the stick? No. And as the years go by, our friendship will never die. Dexter. Dexter. Oh, you should have seen it. Like yesterday and the day before, Dexter would always play with the neighbor's poodle.
Dexter, come here, boy. Dexter. Dexter.
Dachshunds are naturally independent. But right now he's just a baby, so he likes... What?
Shopping to get them to come.
Yeah, well, Dachshunds are naturally more independent.
Me, stop like this.
If he tries to bite you, stand up and don't give him pets or bonk him on the head.